Hi guys, it's me, Junior, and today I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, at Oceanside, California, even though my dad said no.
What the heck? Why is the fire alarm went on? Oh no, the fire alarm went on. Can you check the fire alarm? Okay, I will go check. What the heck? The fire alarm just went on. Alright you guys, head outside right now. You guys, head outside right now. Alright you guys, we have to stay outside until the fire alarm goes off. But anyways, Junior, did you just pull the fire alarm and you watch Boom Beach at Chuck E. Cheese's?
Yes, I did.
Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's and you watch Boom Beach at Chuck E. Cheese's? That's it. Go home right now. So Junior, how was Chuck E. Cheese?
Okay, Mr. Floaty, I watched Boom Beach, and also, I pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's.
You did what? Junior, I can't believe that you watched Boom Beach and pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's. That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.